rocks in the middle of the Alps is a country that's small and they're really not strong. For 200 francs, get a castle and some dogs. I don't care if they're right, cause I don't respect them. And Liechtenstein's for who they named it. Even he didn't want it cause it's gay shit. For the first 100 years, even the princes of the new kingdom didn't visit it. The Swiss accidentally invaded, but they didn't want it, so back to them they gave it. The people in the land can't really play shit. Bet they never beat the USA at games. Back in World War II, they probably sat it out. Not like we'd notice them though, uneducated too, so let me spell it out. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. What the fuck is Liechtenstein? Fuck you if you're from there. I don't know what your problem is, blocking my drive from Bucharest to France dance. I'm not a fan of Liechtenstein. A, B, C, dude, fuck Liechtenstein. Back in caveman times, they weren't naked. The Greeks then made them gay and they stayed it. The Germans made them their bitch, so did the Danish. The Swiss accidentally invaded. Their name sounds like Jews, they should change it now. It's not a country I like. Their flag's red and blue, so let me spell it out. A, B, C, D, E, F. God, Liechtenstein is so really fucking bad. They're a little small dump, just an awkward small gump. They're few couple miles smaller than Luxembourg. They just have a gift shop and a couple nice cops. I'm not a fan of Liechtenstein. A, B, can Liechtenstein fuck off? A lot is wrong with Liechtenstein. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I don't like Liechtenstein. I don't hope that they die, but I wouldn't be sad. They're too fucking small, just a 15-minute walk with your friend or with your dog.